Everyone talks about having a perfect face card, but no one tells you how to get one. Today, I'm giving you the exact glow-up blueprint. Simple, natural, feminine. Your face speaks before you. Let's make it say confident, soft, and put together. We keep it realistic, affordable, and elegant. Small daily habits, big results. Ready? Let's upgrade your face card, naturally. Because beauty should feel effortless and look like you, just brighter. Your face is the first thing people notice. First impressions happen fast. 7 seconds. That's all. So no, wanting to glow up isn't shallow. It's strategy. Your glow is your message before you even speak. When you care for your face, you communicate care, confidence, and intention. Let's start with the easiest instant upgrade, your lips. Hydration first. No gloss can hide dryness if your lips are thirsty. Inside out, always. After your shower, use silk gloves or a soft cloth, gentle only, never harsh scrubs. Pat, don't rub. At night, seal in moisture with a sleeping mask. Wake up pillowy soft. Let it do the work while you rest. Daytime? Choose a hydrating lip oil with nourishing oils and vitamin E. Focus center for fullness. Keep edges soft. Reapply after meals. Keep a mini in your bag. Instant upgrade with minimal effort. Don't forget SPF. Sun damage ages lips fast. Massage boosts circulation for a natural flush. Hydrate, exfoliate, seal, glow. Try oil pulling. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Swish gently for 10 minutes. Don't swallow. Spit, then rinse. Brush and floss consistently. Fresh breath equals instant confidence. Small habits, big glow. Use whitening strips as directed. Avoid overuse to protect enamel. Aim for natural, not neon. Apples clean as you chew. Mint freshens breath naturally. Citrus and green tea help balance mouth bacteria. Watermelon hydrates. Keep a mini fresh kit in your bag for dates, brunch, and meetings. Bright smile, calm energy. Consistent care beats quick fixes. Now the real glow filter, your skin. Choose a gentle, hydrating cleanser. No stripping, no tightness. Pat dry to protect your moisture barrier. Apply hydrating serums on damp skin for best absorption. Lock it in with a cream that suits your skin type. Tinted sunscreen protects and perfects. Your best everyday filter. Reapply if you're in the sun. Exfoliate with BHA 2 to 3 nights a week, never daily. Glow comes from balance, not overdoing it. Keep it simple, keep it hydrating. Healthy skin makes everything else easier. Healthy hair starts at the scalp. Clarify, then nourish. Use a clarifying wash weekly to remove buildup. Deep condition for slip and shine. Focus on ends. Cool rinse for cuticle smoothness. Layer a light leave-in for softness and frizz control. Add a drop of shine oil only to the ends. Choose styles that frame your features and lift your face. A side part can soften and elongate. A light hair perfume adds that effortless feminine finish. Your hair frames your beauty. Make it shine. Steam opens pores gently. Great before extraction or treatments. Use hydrocolloid strips weekly. Gentle, effective. Salicylic acid keeps pores clear without over-scrubbing. Clear nasal passages for easier breathing and less redness. If you contour, keep it subtle, seamless, clean, smooth, confident, done. Gua Sha boosts circulation and lymphatic flow. Always glide up and out on oiled skin. Don't skip the neck. Key for depuffing. Hydration and movement reduce puffiness and reveal natural definition. Cut back on salty, inflammatory foods. Makeup can lift. Think shadow and light, not stripes. The goal is you, refined. Consistency beats intensity. A little daily goes far. Brush up to lift the face. Instant refresh. Use feather-light strokes, never blocky. Match shape to your face. Soft arch for round. Gentle lift for square, balanced for oval. Keep them neat, not thin. Fuller brows look youthful. The right brows lift your whole face. Full, fluffy, feminine. Take care of your lashes. Serum at night, patience for results. Curl from the base in gentle pulses, no tugging. Choose formulas that lengthen and separate, not clump. Soft, fluttery, feminine. Real beauty starts with care, and it shows. Glow different. Move with quiet confidence. For a full glow-up guide, subscribe and stay beautiful, naturally.